Welcome to Ben Tangela. Come along with us as we explore the mountains of Sugar Mountain Resort. Coming up, you will see a glance of the condo hotel where we will be staying for our weekend trip.
Woo, buddy! Oh!
Ooh, they built in the house.
Yeah, keep your eyes on the road. Look, you mighty close to this edge over here. I feel safe with me driving right now. Shit.
I'm getting scared.
Boy. I look at Jane, her eyes to me like, whoa.
I'm slow.
It ain't just snowing up
It's
here.
got
Like,
snow on the side of the road,
you better
y'all.
not get caught in
I
this.
am so loving it. Oh my gosh, I just found my new home.
You like it up here now. Look at that up there. Like a hotel way up there.
Oh wow, it's so nice. Wow.
No, we're gonna love her right now. You'll be okay right here. We feel off.
I mean, it can't be far because it's 3 minutes.
Yeah, we're right. That might be it. Don't tell me they put his way up. That's it. That's it.
Wow. Sugar
Yep,
top.
sugar top. That's where the sugar ski place is too.
Look at the snow though.
That's wild. Where'd it go though?
There's not enough.
It's probably just had flowers.
Flurries.
I am like right there. Look at that.
I bet
Yep.
you there's more snow on the mountain.
Oh my gosh, look at the entranceway to that house.
Oh,
Jeez.
Y'all,
See,
wait a
this is,
minute.
wait a minute.
Y'all, wait a minute.
This is like a, wait a minute.
I'm sort of like this.
Woo, my ears are
I
popping.
love it.
Like, look at this house right here. Like, imagine pulling in your driveway and you're like,
Gosh, you just keep on doing it.
yeah, you have no room for error. You have no room for mess up.
Oh my
A
gosh.
car key.
Oh,
I bet you he has some horses break on me every second.
Yeah.
okay, we're still going.
God.
Sugar.
I told you we at the very top.
Oh wow.
As you can see, we were excited about coming up to Sugar Mountain. That is a shuttle in front of us. What happens is once you drop off all of your luggage, they bring you back down to this little area here so that you can leave your car down the mountain. There's our hotel.
Yeah, you gotta check in. Oh, don't tell me. Don't tell me. We have to walk up there.
No, because if not, we're gonna have an issue. I'm gonna be like,
Yeah, it's a guy in that family.
yeah, I just
Yeah.
got it. He told me to show.
Right.
You already knew you lost. You already know. I figured that's what he said.
There might be a
Yeah. You can hear it too. She's trying to get it.
Yeah, I wanted to drive the Jeep, but I was afraid that. Damn, what is it?
That's lot A right
Why
there.
is he not driving?
Oh my God.
I don't want to go down to that lot.
What he said? 24. Our unit number's 2403.
The point of view is that everyone should come to Sugar Top Mountain at least once. I wasn't in the Christmas spirit, but something about going up that mountain and being with my son and his girlfriend and my grandson, missing you, Benjamin,
Check in out here.
just put my heart and my spirit into the holidays. The video, which we tried not to edit, does not give this place justice. I'm telling you, the views up here are absolutely breathtaking.
All right, I'll be right back.
You already up it.
No, the real mountain.
We're up on a real mountain. What are you talking about?
No.
What?
My
Oh.
phone.
Like the mountain.
Welcome to our home for the weekend.
It has. It has this. This can be my room. Why do you have these ones bathrooms? Ooh. You want to see what's in the door?
Oh, wait, whoa, come here.
Oh, it's in my eyes.
As Abel said, the air was in his eyes. It was in my eyes too. It's so beautiful, but boy, was it cold. In the background, you will see the ski resort. If you look very closely, you can see people skiing down the mountain. It was a beautiful sight. Information about this resort where we're staying and the condo that we're staying in is in the description at the bottom of this video.
That would be our shuttle. Yeah. The shuttle.
So the shuttle takes you back down to the parking, but we're not parking. We are headed to Boone, North Carolina, which is about 20 minutes away, to see what we can get into. There are several stores there that were very nice. We went to Boone Mall. They have a TJ Maxx there. We also hit up a Goodwill. You know, as a reseller, we have to see Goodwill. And my son wanted to see the Appalachian State University
Oh my God.
Stadium, and just so happened they were having a game.
I was in there.
So back at our resort, we were able to enjoy a beautiful swimming pool. They also have a hot tub. My grandson is learning how to become a stronger swimmer. I truly enjoyed just sitting and watching him play in the water. And it was nice to relax.
Video. I can't swim, man.
I still got it. I still got it.
It's no fun getting out of the hot tub, then getting back in the pool.
Stayed in there. You could have stayed in there. This wraps up today. Be sure to join us tomorrow when we're headed to the Wilderness Run Alpine Coasters. Come join us. Next video.